about impact, respected parents and guardians, our revered chairman, Mr. Amit Prakash, chairperson, Mrs. Anjali Singh, our dynamic
He has been chairman and office bearer of many social, cultural, and scientific associations. He is a life coach, motivator, and mentor. We are proud to have you, sir, in our midst today. We are most grateful to our chief guest for gracing this occasion with his presence.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
That we get instilled further with a feeling of togetherness.
Prakash sir, our chairperson Anjali ma'am, HM ma'am, all my coordinators, activity coordinators, Amitabh sir, non-academic head, Mr. Pandey, senior coordinator, and Shilpi, and all my other colleagues, parents, teachers, the to be sworn in council members. It's a very, very solemn day. We have gathered here today to celebrate this auspicious occasion. And we started off on a beautiful note that all of us have the courage to change, and you're not alone. Together we can bring about a lot of changes. So this is why this song was chosen, to instill that motivation in our young student council members who are waiting to take the oath. You desire and then you make it happen. So when you decide to become a leader, you have already taken the first step that you want to make an effective stand for the truth. You have to stand up for what is of time. It's after that there is a screening committee, just like how you have elections, we screen it to see that.
on stage.
I request the head of the institution, the principal, to
I, Romi Verma, head bill for the year 2024-25.
Do solemnly promise
Do solemnly promise
that I shall carry out to the best of my ability
that I shall carry out to the best of my ability
the duties and responsibilities entrusted to me
the duties and responsibilities entrusted to me
for the honor and glory of my school, Litra Valley School.
for the honor and glory of my school, Litra Valley School.
I,
Vedant Narayan, sports captain for the year 2024-25.
I, Manya Anand, sports captain for the year 2024-25,
do solemnly promise
do solemnly promise
that I shall carry out to the best of my ability
that I shall carry out to the best of my ability
the duties and responsibilities entrusted to me
the duties and responsibilities entrusted to me
for the honor and glory of my school, Litra Valley School.
for the honor and glory of my school, Litra Valley School.
Vishwasthi Subhani, Avni House captain for the year 2024-25.
I, Sunidhi Singh, Dhanush House captain for the year 2024-25,
I, Sarthak Raj, Prithvi House captain for the year 2024-25.
Do solemnly promise
do solemnly promise
that I shall carry out to the best of my ability
that I shall carry out to the best of my ability
the duties and responsibilities entrusted to me
the duties and responsibilities entrusted to me
for the honor and glory of my school, Litra Valley School.
for the honor and glory of my school, Litra Valley School. Shri Bajoria, Discipline Secretary for the year 2024-25.
I, Suraj Pratap Singh, Captain Cyber Ethics for the year 2024-25. I, Vishesh Kapis, Akash House Sports Captain for the year 2024-25.
I, Ronak Ranjan, Agni House sports captain for the year 2024-25.
I, Saksham Raj, Dhanush House Sports Captain for the year 2024-25.
I, Richard Suman, Prithvi House Sports Captain for the year 2024-25.
Do solemnly promise
Do solemnly promise
that I shall carry out to the best of my ability
that I shall carry out to the best of my ability
the duties and responsibilities entrusted to me
the duties and responsibilities entrusted to me
for the honor and glory of my school, Litra Valley School.
for the honor and glory of my school, Litra Valley School.
2024-25.
I, Ananya Shri, cultural secretary for the year 2024-25.
I, Gautam Anand, literary secretary for the year 2024-25.
I, Sanvi Sinha, literary secretary for the year 2024-25.
Do solemnly promise
Do solemnly promise
that I shall carry out to the best of my ability
that I shall carry out to the best of my ability
the duties and responsibilities entrusted to me
the duties and responsibilities entrusted to me
for the honor and glory of my school, Litra Valley School.
for the honor and glory of my school, Litra Valley School.
I,
Kumar Pratham, Wellbeing Secretary for the year 2024-25.
I, Pavni Soni, well-being secretary for the year 2024-25.
I, Ankit Devu, IUIP ambassador for the year 2024-25.
I, Priyanshi Agarwal, IUIP ambassador for the year 2024-25.
do solemnly promise
Do solemnly promise
that I shall carry out to the best of my ability
that I shall carry out to the best of my ability
the duties and responsibilities entrusted to me
the duties and responsibilities entrusted to me
for the honor and glory of my school, Litra Valley School.
for the honor and glory of my school, Litra Valley School.
Our chairman, chairperson, principal, and headmistress to come.
the Dhanush House flag. Upasana to Yashashvi Somani. Hands over the flag to Fariha.
I request our principal.
Vice head boy for the year 2024-25.
I, Rashmi Prakash, Vice Head Girl for the year 2024-25.
I, Mohammad Muzaffar Zayyan, Vice Sports Captain for the year 2024-25.
I, Rizma Janji, Vice Sports Captain for the year 2024-25.
I, Aditya Kumar Azad, Vice Akash House Captain for the year 2024-25.
I, Jigyasa Subarna, Vice Agni House Captain for the year 2024-25.
I, Riddhi Guha, Vice Dhanush House Captain for the year 2024-25.
I, Rashmi Agarwal, Vice Prithvi House Captain for the year 2024-25.
I, Manisha Sandalya, Vice Wellbeing Secretary for the year 2024-25.
I, Jayashree Singh, Vice Wellbeing Secretary for the year 2024-25.
I, Akriti Pandey, Vice Discipline Secretary for the year 2024-25.
I, Akshat Mohan, Vice Cultural Secretary for the year 2024-25.
I, Sanspriti Anand, Vice Cultural Secretary for the year 2024-25.
I, Samriddhi Shri, Vice Literary Secretary for the year 2024-25.
I, Shanvi Singh, Vice Literary Secretary for the year 2024-25.
Do solemnly promise
Do solemnly promise
that I shall carry out to the best of my ability
that I shall carry out to the best of my ability
the duties and responsibilities entrusted to me
the duties and responsibilities entrusted to me
for the honor and glory of my school, Litra Valley School.
Chairperson, principal, and headmistress to give away the badges.
the prefects of classes 3 to 10.
I,
Diksha Sahni, Prefect for the year 2024-25.
I, Vedant Sinha, Prefect for the year 2024-25.
I, Arunima Mishra, Prefect for the year 2024-25.
I, Krishnakant Mishra, Prefect for the year 2024-25.
I, Medha Bhargav, Prefect for the year 2024-25.
I, Sakshan Gupta, Prefect for the year 2024-25.
I, Adya Sharma, Prefect for the year 2024-25. I, Siasin, Prefect for the year 2024-25.
I, Neil Yashwardhan, Prefect for the year 2024-25. I, Pratyusha, Prefect for the year 2024-25. I, Shamit Yash, Prefect for the year 2024-25. I, Himanshu, Prefect for the year 2024-25.
25.
I, Riddhi Garg, Prefect for the year 2024-25.
I, Himanshu Anand, Prefect for the year 2024-25.
I, Aliza, Prefect for the year 2024-25.
I, Krishna Kheria, Prefect for the year 2024-25.
I, Bhargavi Gupta, Prefect for the year 2024-25.
I, Kishore Kumar Roy, Prefect for the year 2024-25.
I, Ishanti, Prefect for the year 2024-25. I, Jayashi Mishra, Prefect for the year 2024-25. I, Ayansh Vats, Prefect for the year 2024-25. I, Ananya Singh, Prefect for the year 2024-25.
that I shall carry out to the best of my ability the duties and responsibilities entrusted to me for the honor and glory of my school, Litra Valley School.
To give away the badges.
that the students of Litera Valley School are deep into games and sports, from the number of awards that we are winning at inter-school level and international level at the karate competition that was held in Calcutta, Netaji Indoor Stadiums. Our school won gold, one student won gold, and a number of silver medals and bronze too. But let me tell you, the teachers was devoted for the teachers to our favorite games. The highlight of the day was the first ever Champions Cup coveted match played between Litera Valley School students grade 12 and LVS teachers team. And any guesses who won? The students won the cup, but the teachers won the hearts of all the students and spectators standing there. So now we have the award ceremony for that special event. I request all the dignitaries to come up and award the winners. Dear God of 12B, dear Pratap Singh 12B, Pranjal of 12B, Shaurya Chauhan of 12B, Vedant Moran of 12B, Rohit Raj of 12B, Aditya Raj of 12B, Shresha of 12A, Abhishek of 12B, and the manager of Litera Valley School Grade 12 football team, none other than Mr. Anil Kumar Pandey. Dev Patel of 12E. So the Royal football team. manager, also from the sports department, Mr. Amit Kumar, from the maths department, Mr. Rajiv Kumar, also from the sports department, Mr. Shanky Francis, Mr. Avanish Kumar, who is seen all over by the students. He manages the entire show. Mr. Mukesh Kumar, Sports Department. Mr. Abhijit Raj, also from the Sports Department. Mr. Pradeep Kumar Deepak, he is from the Department of Science, Physics. Mr. Rajiv Kumar, Ranjiv Kumar, sorry. Mr. Ranjiv Kumar, he is from the Music Department. Mr. Girendra Jha, also from the Science Department. And the manager of the LBS teachers team, Ms. Brototi Tarun. She is also from the sports department. A big round of applause for LBS, for sportsmanship, for
distinguished faculty member, all the newly elected council members, and my dear students. It is really privilege to me to be here. I will request the chairman to allow me to go in between the rows so that I can have a direct talk to the students. Okay? Mic is here. Elected in different concepts. Really, it is a great time that when you are chosen and given the responsibility for a great work, you can show your work. You know, everybody born on this that you are also acquiring the skill, you are also acquiring the expertise, you are also acquiring the technology, you are also the number one that you will develop your company life. And this has to be made productive, and the productive can only be when you prepare yourself for all the challenges ahead. There are so many.
But Tortoise was too much slow. Whenever any race happened, it saw the rabbit sleeping, so it continued its journey. After a while, when the hare woke up, it got water.
but this time it hits different. Warm greetings to all. I feel short of words to express my emotions, my gratitude for the opportunity I have received to be the head boy of the school. First of all, I would like to thank my parents sitting in the audience cheering me on, along with each and every teacher of LVS for supporting me in my journey. I'll make sure this academic year becomes a memorable one, of course in a positive way. With great power comes great responsibility, and I'll make sure to fulfill all my duties and responsibilities entrusted to me. I may not be perfect and might not always get things right, but I promise that I will do everything in my ability to get things even. My dear fellow council members sitting at the back, from now onwards, the responsibilities of our school belong to us. So we shall stand as a unit against all the obstacles coming our way.
The head girl of batch 2024-25, Romi Verma of class 12B, is here to share her thoughts.
Leadership is the capacity to translate visions into reality. And waves of exhilaration are sweeping through me to convert my visions as a leader into actuality. Good morning, honorable dignitaries, teachers, families, and my fellow council members, our team. Nelson Mandela said that the youth of today are the leaders of tomorrow. This powerful line captures the true essence of student council. For me, this is a moment of elation. The head girl's post is prestigious, full of honor and laced with responsibilities. Today, I stand here as a leader not just to lead this group, but to work in collaboration with each Litarian to achieve the best for our dear school. The key to successful leadership is influence, and I hope I can leave a positive impact with whatever I do as the head. Faith in me and considered me worthy for this. I know I have promises to keep, and I shall fulfill
the best. I reiterate the words of our revered principal. The challenge of a leader is to be strong but not rude, be kind but not weak, be bold but not a bully, be thoughtful but not lazy, be humble but not timid, be proud but not arrogant, have humor but without folly. A leader has to be free from fear and keep on working with zest.
Program a success. I call our headmistress, Ms. Sujata Bhagani, on the stage to propose the vote of thanks.
A thing of beauty is a joy forever. And these little joys make our life move forwards. A pleasant good morning which has turned into a wonderful afternoon to one and all present here. Our chief guest, Dr. Janardhan Ji, Chairman Sir, Chairperson Ma'am, Principal Sir, all teachers gathered here, parents, students, and each and every soul attached with this wonderful program.
For all your dedication and hard work. A vision.